How to block a video in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find different videos and even view it. Now, you'll be able to find different videos according to your choice. But there are some videos that you don't like or don't want your kids to see. So how do you easily block it? Now, first go to the video here. And here on the right bottom, you can find this three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon, and on the bottom, there's a section of block this video. Simply hit on it and add your passcode. After doing this, the video will be blocked and the kids won't be able to view it. You're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.